Ciao, Italian language learners! Welcome to another exciting episode of the Italian Chat Experience. And Max, your host, here with our Italian voice coach, Sofia. Are you ready for some Italian today, Sofia?
Ciao, Max. Always ready for some Italian. What's on the agenda for today's episode?
Today, we're covering something that's more than just a word. It's a moment. Raising a glass in Italy comes with a whole set of customs. And today we are covering both what to say and what not to do. We are learning how to say cheers in Italian. So, Sofia, how do you say cheers in Italian?
There are two, salute and Cin Cin. Salute literally means to your health. It's the classic universal one. And Cin Cin is more casual, more playful, and it mimics the sound of glasses clinking. Cin Cin.
I love Cin Cin. Both of these are short, but people trip up on them. Let's break them down.
Salute is 3 syllables. Salute. Stress on the middle, lu. And that final E is not silent. Salute, not salute like English. And Cin Cin is Cin Cin, 2 identical sounds. The chi in Italian makes a chi sound, so it's Cin Cin.
So we got 2 options. When do Italians use one versus the other?
Salute is universal, works everywhere with anyone. Formal dinners, casual drinks, a toast at a wedding, an aperitivo with friends. Cin Cin is a little more casual, a little more playful. You'd use it with friends, on a light occasion, when the vibe is fun rather than serious. Both are common. You can even say both in the same toast. Italians often do.
Okay, here's where I need our listeners to pay close attention. Because saying cheers in Italian isn't just about the word. There's the eye contact rule.
Yes, this is huge. When you clink glasses with an Italian, you must make eye contact. Clink with every single person at the table. And you hold their eyes for a beat as your glasses touch. Skip this, and it's said to bring 7 years of bad luck. Some Italians even say 7 years of bad sex. Either way, you don't skip the eye contact.
Yeah, don't skip the eye contact. And there's one more thing. The arm crossing rule.
Right. Never cross arms when you clink. If you're across the table from someone and you'd have to reach over another person's glass, wait your turn or lead around. Crossing arms is considered bad luck too. Italians take their toasting seriously.
They do. Let's put it together. I'm an aperitivo in Rome with a group of Italian friends. Everyone's got a glass of Prosecco. What happens?
You raise your glass and say, salute, Cin Cin. Then you clink with everyone at the table, one by one, eyes on each person, holding their gaze for a beat. No arm crossing, no looking down. Just clink, eyes, clink, eyes. It's a small ritual, but it means something. It's a moment of real presence.
Here's a bonus. What if I want to give a full toast, not just say cheers, like dedicating that moment to something?
You'd use brindiamo a, let's toast to. So, brindiamo agli amici, let's toast to friends. Or brindiamo alla vita, let's toast to life. Or brindiamo alla famiglia, let's toast to family. It's a beautiful way to dedicate the moment.
It really is. Excellent. To wrap up, today we practice salute for the classic cheers, Cin Cin for the more casual version, the eye contact rule that you can never skip, no arm crossing rule at the table, and brindiamo a for making a real toast. You're ready to raise a glass anywhere in Italy. Grazie for listening. Visit learnitalianpod.com for more resources and to explore ItalianChat, where you can practice real Italian conversations with Sofia. A presto!
A presto. Ciao a tutti.